Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw a face, and I will easily show you the facial proportion. So bear with me, and all you need is just your sketchbook, a ruler and a pencil. So let's get started. So first of all, you just need to draw a line in the middle, straight line, and then so let's divide it into three. So the line will be 18 centimeter, and then when we divide it into three, it will be 6 centimeter each part. Okay, and now we will, at the first spot, we will now draw a horizontal line. So this line will be 6 at each side again, and now it is time to draw a circle according to the size that we have already. So this is my circle. It might not be perfect, but I think it is good enough for drawing a face. So because everything will be a little bit changed later, so it doesn't matter, don't worry too much. And now it is time to draw the jaw. So just to make it more easier and similar in both sides, I just draw a line from the third spot to the side of the face, and then it is all up to you if you want to make your face round, a little bit angle, or if you want to make it more sharp. So this is the time that you can make the face the way that you want to show. So I'm just giving it some angle, and yeah, I think it looks a bit better and more popular at this shape. Okay, so now we do have a proper face, but only the outline, so we don't really have all other things that we need to. So now we do not know where all the features will go, so I can start drawing my eyes, but where exactly? Can I start here or there, or I don't know. So let's break it down, and at this time I will divide this line into two, so that's 18. I am finding 9, which is in the middle of that. So now I have a line in the middle of the face, which is gonna be eyes. So what I will do now, I'm gonna use my rubber to rub off this line because I don't need that anymore. So at this time, and also I don't need this one. Okay, so at this stage I will divide both lines on top and bottom into 5. So this is 9 centimeter, and dividing into 5, so I don't exactly know, and I'll find the center of it. So if it was 10, it would be 2 centimeter each, so I think it's something around like close to 2, around 1.8. Then I will each and see if it is correct. 1.8 and another one. Yeah, it is really good. So now I do have 5 lines on top of the eye line. All right, so the first line on top of the eyes is for eyebrows. So brows will start here but can go up even to the second line. It is all depending on the shape that you are going to draw the eyebrows. So the first line on top is for hair. So this is where the roots will start. From the top you can bring it a little bit down, it is up to you, but this is the proportion for that. So these 2 lines we will leave it for now and we don't need it. So even in the bottom we do the same and we divide it into 5. So we already know what number we are going to get into. 1.8. Okay, this is not a good rubber, so I am going to use the back of my pencil for now. 1.8 and 1.8. So we do have another 5 sessions on the eyes. So we do leave, okay, I think this one's a bit small, but doesn't matter because we don't need this one at all. So I'll just make it more clear, more visible, the eye line. So not the first one, and the second one is for nose, and the third one is lips. Correct. So we do have all the lines that we do need. So now we will find out where the eyes were placed. So the half of this line, so now we do have 11 here, which we need to divide it into 5 sessions again. So 11 dividing to 5, I think we will get around 2.2 something. Let's see if we are correct. I think it's amazing because so far we are at a good stage. 2.2 and there's another 2.2 on the side. That's lovely. Okay, so this is the eye where the eyes will be placed. So for now I'm just drawing a shape and later on we will finish it off. So yeah, this is where the eyes will be finished, but so you can even just go a little bit further than this line, because with the eyelashes and everything that will be too tiny. So now it is time to find out where the nose will be. So now let's just draw a line like that. So the nose will be wide as each eyes as well, and it's kind of same with lips. So it is again up to you. You can make it a little bit wider or a little bit smaller, so it is up to you, but this is only the proportion. And now it is time for the eyebrows. You do need to think about the shape. So first you can just draw something, and if you're happy, you are going to draw the top of it as well. And each eyebrows, so there is the same distance as eyes in between eyebrows as well. So now you need to line here, then you do know where the eyebrows will start and where would be finished again. That's it. And now it is time to draw lips. If you haven't watched my previous videos, just don't forget to go back and watch them now, where I have exactly shown how to draw lips easily. So it is even same for eyes and nose, and even lips. So this is the shape of the face, and this is the roots. So we can just draw the hair any style that we want for now. And yeah, so even so yeah, the ears will be next to the eyes as well. So this is the final of this video. In the next one I will show you how exactly to finish each features off, how to do shading, the hair and lips and everything. So thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something today. Bye, and see you in the next video.